Okay, so let's start. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you computer network. The chapter that is chapter number 10. That is not coming in your exam, but it's very important chapter, computer network. So today I'm going to tell you uh, computer network. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, student. The chapter will be computer network. I hope everyone will know the portion that comes in annual exam. Class 7.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please mute yourself. Once I am asking any, unmute yourself and answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Please mute yourself.
Sir, can you eat my 40? Sir, can you eat my 40?
I have to mute all. If you will not mute yourself, then I have to mute all. Now it's okay. Everyone have muted. So let's see the chapter number 10, computer network. That is on page number 135. Come to page number 135. Okay, so that is the computer network chapter. Let's see computer network. First of all, we will know about the types of network and what are the need for networking. Then we will know some topology and operating system. So let's see what is network. So network is a collection of computer and devices connected by communication channel. People connect computer to a network for a variety of reasons, including the ability to share hardware, software, data, and information, as well as to facilitate communication. So the basic idea behind network is communication. If we have communication, then we need to have a network. So let's see the example of networking. Once we have a command for printing, by a computer which attached to printer, and if that computer and printer is connected to a network, then we can give that command by any computer with the IP address or pinging to that printer by any device. Here, please mute your well, otherwise I have to remove you. Now it's okay. Now, then the next thing is what would be the size of our network? So the network can be small if we have joined two computers with each other. Otherwise, it may be large. It may be spread over different part of the city, or it may be as vast as covering the whole part of the world. Like that shows in the example, that figure also.
Yes, sir.
So let's see some hardware. Which is, okay. Computer network. Everyone know the means of network.
Yes, sir.
Everyone know
Yes,
why
sir.
we use
Yes, sir.
computer network?
Yes, sir.
Because computer was a device,
Yes,
and whenever it was introduced, then the rapid increase in the growth of computer field manufacturer began to design computer hardware and software that could allow computer to communicate with one another. बाद में क्या हुआ? We started communication through computers, and that is possible only due to computer network. So computer communication is described as a process in which one computer transfers the data, instruction, and information to another computer. Earlier, only large computer has communication capability. But now today, even small computer and devices can communicate with one another using network facility. Then your mobile phone can be a part of your network, which you are using.
Yes, sir.
So let's see the size of network. As I have told earlier, it may be
Yes.
small if we connected two computers with each other, and it may be different and as vast as covering the whole part of the world. So that depends on our needs and our requirement. So let's see what are the hardware requirements. Any networking, if you design any networking, then we need to have network interface card. We need to have computer, system, connector, cables, and resources. These are the hardware which we are using to connect one computer to another or to do the communication process. Okay.
आप देख रहे हैं
आप लोग म्यूट क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं अपने आप को? मैं म्यूट करूंगा, आप अनम्यूट कर दे रहे हैं. Once I will allow you to unmute for answer, then you have to.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the first of all, we need to have a computer which have monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. The most important job of network is to link computer together. When computer are linked, the people using this computer can work more efficiently. Computer connected to a network do not have to be same types. For example, a computer could contain desktop computers such as IBM Compatible and Macintosh, or portable computers such as notebook and tablet PC. So the computer could be different, but the communication may be possible through computer network. If there is a networking between computer, then it's very easy to share information from one computer to another computer. That is the main hardware which we have, which we are going to use networking. Then we must have that types of computer. So any types of computer can be used for networking, if it may be different also. So each
Yes,
computer
sir.
must have a network interface card. See, that is network interface card, where we can plug LAN cable that are connected to device. An extension card is also used to provide network access to computer or other devices, such as printer. Network interface card mediate between the computer and the other part of physical media. So that physical media may be cable for data traveling. Second thing is connector. Connector is maybe modem, switch, hub, router, gateway, bridge. Anything can be called connector. If once we have connector, then we can start connecting our devices to another devices. See, that is written, a connector is a device that join two network together. The most common connector are hub, bridge, and router. These are the three connectors, that is hub, bridge, and router. Any connector can be used. Then we must
Okay.
have huge cable. Like if we want to charge our mobile phone, then we have a charging cable. Once we want to transfer our data from computer to mobile phone, or mobile phone to another mobile phone, then we use wireless communication or wired communication. Once we use wired communication, then we must have some cables using for transferring data. First is LAN cable, which are using to connect network interface card to another network. That is network interface card. Then we have coaxial cable, a flexible
Yes,
metal
sir.
or optics wire is used to connect computer and other devices on the network. These cables are wired or insulated with a material such as plastic or rubber. That is coaxial
Sir.
cable. and we have fiber optics cable also, and USB cable. These are the cable. According to need, we use such cables for networking. Then we must have some resources to use that network for our requirement. That is resources like printer is a such resource. Using that, we can print our information on paper, and that is possible in a networking system. That is any part of computer system or network such as disk drive, printer or memory that can be allotted to a program or process while it is running is called resource. In other words, it refers to data, information and hardware devices that can be accessed by a group of computers through the use of shared connections. Okay, so let's know what is WAN. That is value added network, is a third party business that provides specialized networking services for a fee. Okay, network is a connection of two or more computers that they can share resources. A network can be internal to an organization or span the world by connecting to the internet. Instead of using the internet or an internal network, some companies hire a value added network, that is WAN, value added network. And WAN is wide area network, wide area network. WAN, that is wide area network, and VAN is a value added network. Clear? So what is the need for networking? As I told earlier, whenever we need to share some information, in maybe in a soft copy or maybe in a hard copy, then we use networking. We can share resources such as hardware, devices, software program, data and information. With the help of network sharing, resources save times and money. If we use
Yes,
that
sir.
network, then what the benefit we got, we save our time and save our money also. Suppose that three computers are there where we are going to use, we are sharing hardware, three computers are there and one printer is there. Then if we
Yes, sir.
want to print, if we don't have a network, then we have to we have to use three printers for three computers. But if we sharing that printer by all three computer, then we save two printers at that time. Means cost and money both we can save. In a networking environment, each computer on a network can access and use hardware available on the network. Suppose there are number of personal computers on a network and each one need to use a laser printer. If a personal computer and the laser printer are connected in a network, each personal computer use can access the laser printer over the network whenever he or she need it. तो जब भी हमें जरूरत होगी हम किसी भी कंप्यूटर से कमांड दे सकते हैं और प्रिंट ले सकते हैं. Clear? Now, data and information. Data and information we can share by one computer to another computer by authorized user that can be already connected. Okay. So use of that computer is to access data information stored in the other computer in the network. A large company, it's an example, a large company might store a database of customer information on a server hard disk, and any authorized person, including a mobile user using a handheld computer, can connect to the network and can access this database. So the person who already authorized to connect that can connect that computer or their any devices, handheld devices, to that network and access that data and information easily. Then that is data and information sharing. Then software sharing. Network lets people gain access to programs such as spreadsheet or word processor stored on a central computer. Suppose that we have MS Word file and we want to share from one computer to another computer that file, then that types of information sharing is called software sharing. By sharing a program, a company can avoid having to install a copy of program on each personal computer separately. If we already install that software on our network devices, then it can be gained and accessed by all the terminals which are already connected. So that is software sharing. Now come to types of network. There are three types of network. Geographically, three types of network are there. That is local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. So local area network is a network that connects the computer and the devices in a limited geographical area such as home, school, computer laboratory, office building, or close positioned group of building. Like in our computer lab, it's a local area network. We have connected to our computer in for lab work only. And if we go to the hospital, that are the network used for hospital purpose only. So these are the example of local area network, and each computer or devices in this network is called node. So the nodes are connected to LAN by a cable. किससे जुड़ा होगा? That will connect by a cable. Then metropolitan area network. MAN is a network that connects the local area network in a metropolitan area such as city or a town. तो कई लैंड्स को अगर हम किसी शहर में कनेक्ट करा देते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड मैन, दैट इज metropolitan area network. A MAN typically include one or more LANs but cover a small geographical area than a WAN. It is larger than LAN but smaller than WAN, that is wide area network. Like telephone companies, cable television operator and other organization uses MAN. If we're talking about Gorakhpur city, then all the digital network which offer internet services and some other things, that is LAN. So sorry, that is MAN, metropolitan area network. Okay, so the example of metropolitan area network are DEN cable, CFI cable, and now it's Geo also offering these types of services. Let's see that is the building information shown in your image. That is the metropolitan area network. Now come to WAN, wide area network. Wide area network is the vastest of all types of network. The network may cover a whole country or whole the world. It can be one large network or can consist of multiple LANs connect together. Internet is an example. So whenever you use internet, that means you are working in a wide area network. So the example of WAN is also shown in your diagram. And that is update your knowledge. Computer connected to a server are called workstation. Whenever computer connected to a server, when server is whenever we use network, then one computer will a higher capability to serve all the other computer, that is called server, and server is also called workstations. And LAN is capable of transmitting data at very fast rate, much faster than the data that is transmitted to you over the internet. So what is the capability of LAN? Data transmission is very fast. And WAN, let's see WAN. A WAN uses multiplexer to connect local area and metropolitan network to global communication network like the internet. So the internet is the example of which networking? Will answer. Unmute yourself and answer.
Sir, network is the example of wide area network, that is WAN.
Very good. Internet is the example of wide area network, that is WAN. And
Internet is an example of wide area.
okay. Okay, good, very good. Okay, whenever we use network, then each computer are called what? In a network, each computers are called what?
Sir, in a network, each computers are known as node.
Yes, very good.
Node.
Known as
Sir, it is
node.
known as node.
Yes, each computers are known as node.
Node.
Okay, and the computer connected to a server are called the what? The computer which are connected to server are called
Sir, the computer connected to a server are called workstation.
Workstation.
The workstation.
The workstation.
So the server is also called workstation. Now come to the network topology. Okay, our next topic is network topology. In networking, the term topology refers to the layout structure of connected computer and devices on a network. क्या होता है ये? It is a layout structure of connected computer. Okay, whenever we use computer, then it must be a connected manner and different geographical areas. So there are basically three types of topology. Topology means layout structure of connected computer. So what is the means of topology? Who will answer? Topology. What do you mean by topology?
Layout structure of connected
The layout
computers.
structure of connected computers.
Layout
structure of
The layout structure of connected computers.
Layout structure of connected computers.
Sir, layout.
Okay, now come to bus network. Bus network is a single central cable network to which all computers and other devices connected. Why it is called bus network? Because whenever you see there is a seat in bus, and that is in between there is a way to go to the seats, and each seat are either left side or right side. So that is the bus layout. That network is a form of, that network is in a form of bus layout. That's why it is called bus network. See the figure, that is bus network. See, that is the figure. That is the figure of bus network. That is the figure of bus network.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay? That is the figure of bus network. These are the computers: computer 1, computer 2, computer 3, computer 4, computer 5, and such that 5 computers are also there in left side, and all computers are connected to each other, and in between there is a way to go to that computer. So that types of structure is called bus network. Which types of topology is used? Bus topology.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in bus topology, a single central cable is there. A single central cable is there to which all the computers are connected.
Network.
In star network, all the computers are connected to the network, all the devices. So in the star network, all the computers and devices on the network connected to the central device. That is star network. See, that example is there. See, the example is there, that is star network. That is star network. That is star network. See, that is star network. Everyone can see computer 1, computer 2, computer 3, computer 4,
Yes, sir.
computer 5, and computer 6. So,
Yes.
computer and projector is
Oh,
also
sir,
connected.
it is projector 1.
Projector is also connected. 2 projectors are there and 4 computers are there. Okay. 2
Okay,
computers
sir.
and
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
We can use computer also. We can also connect 6 computer. Means star network. Each computers are connected to a central computer. ये जो बीच में आप देख रहे हैं, it will be also a computer. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
If that computer will fail, then entire network will be collapsed. So no networking is possible.
Sir, I cannot understand.
Okay. ये बीच में जो कंप्यूटर है जिससे सारे कंप्यूटर कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं, if that computer fail, अगर ये कंप्यूटर खराब हो जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा फिर? कोई कंप्यूटर काम नहीं करेगा. Understand?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now come to ring network. Suppose that in bus network, one computer is not working. That it means only one computer that not working will be problem. But there is no problem to working all the devices. So that
Yes,
is
sir.
network and star network. Now come to ring network. Ring network is a cable from a closed loop, which is also called ring. All computer and device arranged along the ring. That is ring network. A ring network is a cable from, see, that is the example of ring network. That figure shows how computer connect to ring network. So computer 1, computer 2, computer 3, computer 4, computer 5, and computer 6, all the connected with a ring, a cable, and there is a token in between computer 5 and computer 6. What are the tokens? Tokens are the information, is small information from passing one computer to another computer. That is ring network. That is
Okay, sir. Ring network.
Ring network.
Ring network.
Ring network, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Ring
Now come to
network.
operating system. Our next topic is
Ring
network.
network, sir.
Our next topic is network operating system. So there are two major types of network operating system. One
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
is client server network. Another is client server network. We have two types of network.
Climb, sir.
One is
Yes,
peer
sir.
to network, and
Sir, we have
whenever
two types of network.
please mute yourself. A network of two or more computers that uses the same program or same types of program to communicate and share data is called peer-to-peer network. Clear?
Yes, sir.
A
Yes,
network.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I have to.
Yes, sir.
I, okay. Peer-to-peer network means two or more computers that uses the same program or same types of program to communicate and share data. It is called peer-to-peer network. Each computer or peer is considered equal in the terms of responsibility, and each act as a server to other in the network. Means there is no client-server model in peer-to-peer network. Each computers have equal capability, and it follow which topology? Who will answer? It follow which topology? Who will answer?
Peer to peer.
Sir, ring topology.
The ring
it follows
topology.
Sir, ring topology.
Sir, ring topology. Sir,
Yes,
ring
it
topology.
Sir, it is ring topology.
Sir, it is ring topology.
every computer has similar capability. There is no client server model. Every computer has a
Yes.
similar capability and
Yes,
can
sir.
share
Yes,
with
sir.
someone. Okay?
Sir, your voice is not coming properly.
Yes, sir.
Now, is it good?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Now it's
So the
yes, sir.
peer-to-peer network that connected equal and okay, equal capabilities computer connected to each other. That is peer-to-peer network. Clear? In
Yes,
case
sir.
in computer
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay,
sir.
one should not use peer to peer network in case अगर हम peer to peer network नहीं यूज करते हैं तो क्या होगा 10 से अधिक कंप्यूटर से हम कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं 10 से अधिक कंप्यूटर कर सकते हैं कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं peer to peer network में now come to client server network in client server network क्या होता है एक कंप्यूटर higher capability का होता है that is called server which the computer which is higher capability that is called server and it is also called dedicated server which perform specific tasks. A
Yes,
server,
sir.
server sometimes called host computer control access to the hardware and software on the network and provide a centralized storage area for program data and information. When a user connects to the server, then application files, printers, and other information become available. Okay? So the dedicated server perform a specific task. Some servers are
Yes, sir.
dedicated server with specific task. And file server store and manage files. File server stores and manage files. And printer
Yes, sir.
server manage printing and document and printers. So these are called dedicated server, file server, printer server, and database server, and network server and web server. These are called dedicated server. And these are the example of dedicated server. Why it is called server? Because it's a higher capability of other computers, and it will serve to the client. Clients are the machine that request to the server. Clients are the machines Clients is the computer system that really rely on server for all the resources. Client क्या होता है? Request करता है किससे? Server से. Client क्या करेगा? It will request to the server and server will respond. Server will respond and give service to the client.
Yes,
Every
sir.
client can access the word processing program on the server.
यही होगा ना.
Okay? So now
Yes,
let's
sir.
see update our knowledge. That is peer-to-peer
पापा के पास होगा
network.
और कहाँ पे?
Okay. Peer-to-peer network किस लिए हम यूज करते हैं? Small to medium local area network के लिए यूज करते हैं. किसके लिए यूज करते हैं?
Small.
Small to local area
Sir,
network.
your voice is not coming properly.
Sir, small to local area network.
Okay. Small to medium local area network, we use peer-to-peer network.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are workstations? Who will answer? What are workstations?
Computers connected to a server are known as workstation.
Computers which are connected to server are called workstations. So students, these are the today's class.
Sir?
That is computer network. I will on the topic. Now I'm going to start this class and I will send you the link through which you can see the
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.